Hi, I'm Dennis, and welcome to the Garage Engineer. I wanted to show you a quick tip that I saw that my grandfather used all the time. Now, back in the day, before fancy plastics, they had tin cans and a lot of them. So one of the things he always used, he stored nuts, bolts, and all kinds of things in them. I know we have new fancier items today for storage, but I just love to do this for my pens and pencils. All I do is take a tin can, put some screws, and just screw it into the wall. So that makes a great pencil and pen holder. But what today I wanted to show you was these permanent markers. A lot of people put them up standing up like it is right now, and I mean you have to because it's a tin can, because if you turned them upside down and you had a bunch of permanent markers, you couldn't tell what color it was. So I wanted to show an update on this can of how you can store your permanent markers and see what color they are. So I just went to my local dollar store and found a pencil holder. But the benefit of this pencil holder is, one, it's a little bit lighter because it's extruded metal. But two, because it's extruded, you can see the colors of the caps through the container. So now you can store all your markers upside down. And you're wondering, why should you store your marker upside down? Well, it's because if you store it right side up, the ink will start to flow down and your marker will dry out faster. Whereas if you keep it capped and upside down, then your ink will stay towards the tip. So this is the proper way, and you'll even see written on instructions on certain permanent marker packaging saying to store it upside down, but most people don't do that. They're just used to turning it the other direction. Go to your permanent markers now and see how you're storing it and flip them over, because they're probably standing up like that. And for our third quick tip, if you do have a permanent marker that is dried out, what is recommended to fix that is you take a cup, put the marker inside, fill it up with some alcohol. Now you're going to want to let that marker sit until the ink starts flowing out of it. Now this marker wasn't as bad. As you can see, it's already floating out. But for more drier markers, it might take a few minutes. But once you start seeing the ink flow out, take it out, cap it back up, and let it sit upside down for about 15 minutes. That'll let the alcohol, the excess alcohol dry off, and then it should be as good as new. And I hope that helps you with your permanent marker storage and repair solutions. Remember the ABCs of making. Always be creating. Till next time. Hey!